Let's compare the Instax SQ6 to the Kodak Daylight Disposable camera. So both of these are analog film cameras. They're both great if you want to get into analog film shooting. The difference is that with the Fujifilm Instax SQ6 that you see here, it uses a square format of instant film. So you end up with a square photo. When you take the picture, it just ejects the film from the top of the camera, and in about 3 to 5 minutes, that will develop instantly. With the Daylight Disposable here from Kodak, still, taking the photo, but the difference is that you'll have to send this off to a dark room to get it developed. So it's not instantaneous. It's going to take some time to get the prints developed here. Quality of the print, I find, is a little bit better with the Kodak Daylight Disposable in most cases than the Instax SQ6. It's a little bit crisper of a print, a little bit bigger format there, because it is a 35mm camera on the Daylight Disposable. But ultimately, I think it comes down to what kind of photography do you want to do? Do you want that traditional instant film look where it's a square picture, it prints out instantaneously or in a couple of minutes? Or do you prefer to go with something where you're going to have to take the photo and send it into a dark room, but you're going to get that more versatile, in most cases, digital scan back that you can use to print at any format you want, maybe get a little higher quality? Then you're going to want to go with the Kodak Daylight Disposable.